Lincoln. My name is Jeni Meyer, and I'm here with Ryan Downing.
Hello.
Thanks for being here, Ryan.
Thank
Ryan
you
is
bet.
on our team, and he's here to taste some cheeseburgers with us today.
You got it.
Part of our homegrown Food 411 series. We're out around town taste testing 10 cheeseburgers at 10 restaurants and rating them. We've got 4 rules. Do you know a couple of those rules?
Yeah, they can't know that we're coming, so we're unannounced. No sauce, no ketchup, no mayo, no mustard, cheese only. And what's the last one?
One bite.
One bite.
The one that we have a hard time with.
Yeah, that's why I didn't remember it.
One bite. Oh, no side.
Oh, snap.
That's all right. All right. Definitely cooked medium. It's really, really hot.
Yes, it is.
Piping hot.
Most definitely.
I can see the cheese. Oh, look at what the burger, they have the little grill marks on it.
Yep,
That's
came
cool.
right off a grill.
Yeah.
So that's good.
I love that. This reminds me of a hamburger that you would make at home because it's really nice and thick and juicy and okay, I'm really excited. It's
Yeah,
really
good
hot,
thick
though.
patty. Yeah, it is.
It's so hot. I'm scared.
Here we go.
Ready to try it?
Yep.
Okay,
1, 2,
1,
3.
2, 3. I like it.
That is a good burger. That is a good burger. I would venture to guess they got a little bit of that Misty seasoning in there.
Yeah.
I taste that.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good.
The famous Misty seasoning. The bun is a little much for me, but I mean, it's probably your standard size hamburger bun. It doesn't look like they toasted the bun, or did they? They might have. I'm impressed with the burger though, with the grill marks on it. And the cheese is really good. I can definitely taste the cheese.
There we go, breaking that one bite rule.
I know. We're breaking the rules. Oh, this is good. Okay. Are you ready to rate?
I am ready to rate.
Okay, you go first.
I'm gonna give it an 8.
This is excellent.
Yep, really good.
Excellent.
Really strong 8.
I'm gonna go with an 8.5. So cut it in the middle at 8.3.
You bet.
Okay, final score of the Misty Cheeseburger is 8.3. Thank you so much for being here with us today. Thank you, Ryan, for joining me.
You bet.
Hope
Thank you,
had a
Jeni.
good time tasting some cheeseburgers.
Absolutely.
Today.
I'll share my fries with you.
Nice. I think that's right.
Yeah, go for it. They're good too.
Make sure you follow us on homegrown.lincoln, Facebook, and Instagram. We have lots of fun food and giveaways and more taste testing. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye-bye.